still should be offenses, woe to them by whom they come. Judge not that ye be not judged, was the counsel Jesus gave. Measure given, larger grudged, just the same you must receive. Blessed Savior, thou wilt guide us till we reach that blissful shore, where the angels wait to join us in thy praise forevermore. Jesus said,